Hello, viewers. Welcome to the class for today. We'll be looking at these questions on combined mean. My student is already in class attempting the same questions. So the first question says, Water has 5 baskets. There are 9 apples in each of 3 of the baskets, and there are 24 apples in each of other 2 baskets. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This got 9, and this got 24 and 24. So to get the mean, you said work out the mean number of apples per basket of 9 plus 9 plus 9 plus 24 plus 24. Then divided by 5 baskets because 5. So let me write that 5 again. Then this is going to be 27 plus 48 divided by 5. So let's see then. We have 27, which is 9 times 3, then plus 48, which is 24 times 2. So 27 plus 48 is 75. We get 75 divided by 5. How many 5 goes in 7? That's 1, remainder 2. 5 in 25, that's 5. So it's 15 per basket. 15 apples. So to the second question, there are 20 houses in Fairfields and 80 houses in Meadowlands. The mean number of cars per house in Fairfield is 1.5, and the mean number of cars per house in Meadowland is 2. So what are the mean number of cars per house in both villages? Okay, what we need to know is the cars, total cars divided by the number of houses, which is 20 plus 80. But we can't get a total. We can get a total from the two means. In the first one, which is 20, we have the total of these over 20 equal to 1.5. And for the second one, we have the total, whether you call it y, so
No, you can ask him now after.
y
And
over,
ask him now, so if I should make it after my lesson.
so y, which is this over
Just ask
80,
him if he wants to know.
equal to 2. So the total cars in the first part is this times this, and the
Just,
total cars in the second
just
part is
ask him
this
if he
times
wants to
this.
use later.
So what I have here for the total will be 1.5 times 20, and that is, let's see, that's 30. Then plus the other one, which is 80 times 20, which is 160. Then divided by the
My
total, which is
daughter was
100.
been contacting me with the response kit.
So we have 160 plus 30, which is 190 over 100. So 190 divided by 100 is 1.9. So the combined mean is 1.9. Then the next one. In Tia's pencil case, she has 6 pencils that have a mean mass of
But you can
7
go.
grams.
Well, I just know it.
Okay, I think I need to reduce the voice from my student because let me ask him if he's getting it anyway. Ivan, are you getting it?
Yes, I am.
Okay, good. So I just have to start that. Then 10 pens that have a mean mass of 12, and 4 markers that have a mean mass of 15. So you get the total, which is 6 times 7 here. The total, which is 10 times 12 here. And the total, which is 4 times 15 here. So to get the total, we get 42, 120, and 60. And this is going to be, this is 12, Then this is 222. So find the mean mass of 28 times that is 222 divided by 20. So we can divide by 2. That's 1.1 over 10. And that's 11.1 grams. So that is the mean. Then the next question. A tennis club has 165 adult and child members. The mean age of 55 child members is 14. Hmm. If we want to know the total number of children, just say 55 times 14 will give us the total number of children here. So we get 55 multiplied by 14, that's 770 children. Then the mean age of the adult members is 40 um, point, the mean age of the 110 adult members. Well, they say 165 adults, and this one said the mean age of the 110 adult members. Okay, not adult. It's the total, both of all the total is 165. This is this is 165 here, 165. And for the adults, we have 110 adults. So total adult will be 40.7 times 110. So we get 40.7 times 110. That is 4477. 4477. So the total, you know, the total, what are we talking about? As this, the mean age, okay. The total of all the ages now is going to be 4477 plus 770. So plus 770. We have 770 plus 4477. That's 5247. 5247. So the mean age of all the 65 will be 5247 over 165 rather than not 65. So divided by 165, that is 31.8. 31.8 years. That's the main age of everyone there. Okay, we're gonna continue shortly. All right. There are 25 students in Class A and 15 students in Class B. All 40 students sit a test. The mean score of student Class A was this. We need the total. So that's 25 times 81. And the mean score in the other class is it was 87. So we need the total too. That's 15 times 87. So when we find the final total, we will be able to use it to get the overall mean total. So 25 times 81. That's 2025. Then 15 times 87. That's 1305. Okay. 1305. So you add them together, you get 0 here, get 3 here, 3, 4, 3, 3, 0. 4, 3, 3, 0. Then you get over 40 to get the overall mean. So 4, 3, 3, 0 divided by 40. That is 108.25. Okay, let me check the addition again. Maybe there's something that was wrong there because it's not supposed to give me. I said 25 and 15. Let me check 25 times 15. No, 25 times 81 rather. That's 2025. Then 15 times 87. 15 times 87. That's 1305. Okay. So now 1305 plus 2025. That's 3330. Oh, not 43330. That was a mistake there. No wonder I gave me more than 100. So it's 3330. So now to get the mean, go to 3330 divided by 40. So divided by 40, we have 83.25. 83.25. So that's the mean there. The next question says 15 adults and 25 children complete a maze. Okay, the length of time it took each person was recorded. The mean time by all the 40 was 21. We need to know the total from here because it's all the 40. So that is 40 times 21. That's 9. Okay, that's 840. Then the mean time for the 15 adults is 26 minutes. So to get the total for them, 15 times 26. 15 times 26, that's 390. 390. So we got to subtract to know the total time taken by the children because total time for all of them and total time for the adults is these ones. So we got 840 minus 390. That's 450. So 450. So if the time taken for the children is 450, then to get the mean, we divide by the 25 children. So divided by 25, that is 18 minutes. It took the children 18 minutes to finish it. In a class, there are 12 girls and 16 boys. In a test, the mean mark for the boys is 32. So what's the total for boys? 16 times 32. For the mean for the whole class, okay, is 35. The whole class had this and this, you get 28. So that's 28 times 35. So your 16 times 32 is 512. 512. 28 times 35 is 980. 980. So since this is a total, we take this away from it. So that's minus 512. This is 8, and this is 7 minus 1, which is 6, and this is 9 minus that's 468. So the total mark for the girls are 468, and that's divided by 12 girls. 468 divided by 12, that's 39. That's a 39. The next one, there are 30 boys and girls and class, and they're together. So let's see. The ratio of boys to girls in the class is 2:3. Okay. It is 2:3. That means divide 30 by 5. You get 6. So 6 times 2 is 12. And 6
Okay,
times 3
I was able to make
is.
an attempt at all of the questions. I didn't finish
Okay.
every single one of them.
Okay, you finish everything, right?
Yes, but I have some workings for one
Oh,
of them.
okay, okay. So maybe we should check the markings together, right?
Yes.
Okay, hold on, please. Just shut this down a bit. So let me share this screen of where I was attempting. What's your first answer? Oh, yeah. What's your first answer?
I got 19, but the actual answer was 15.
It's
I'm just
15.
writing out the corrections.
Yeah. Can you see the? I would say you should not write the correction now. Let's see. Let's just explain together, right?
Okay.
The first question says there are nine because I tried, I started solving after some time you started.
I see.
I've only done seven, I think six or seven. So for the first one, we have, okay, let me see again. Say there are five baskets. I drew five circles, right?
Yes.
So it says there are nine apples in each of the three, so I put three. At first, I was okay, not even this question. So there are 24 apples in the remaining two, right?
Yes.
So it says we should find the mean altogether. So we have to add up all the numbers and divide by five. Then it's
Yeah.
going to do. If it says we should find the
Ah,
mean separately, then you divide this by three and divide the other one by two. Do you
mm,
understand? But it didn't say that. So
yes.
it just said we should. So you understand this, right?
Yes, I do. So I did that, but something went wrong in my work.
Okay. Then maybe
Yes.
the addition.
Wow. I did 4 plus 2 to be 95. I did 48 plus 27 as 95.
Okay, that would have been
So
the error there.
yeah,
Instead
so I
of
get one
seven,
mark for that.
instead of
Everything
75.
else was correct.
Okay, good. The second question: there are
Yeah, I
20.
wasn't sure with that one.
Yeah, but the second question said there are 20 houses in a particular place and 80 houses in another place. So the mean
Yeah.
number of cars per house in the first place is 1.5. So if we need to get the mean initially for that place, that would be the total cars divided by the 20 will give us the mean, right?
Yes.
So that means we can just multiply and get the total cars, okay?
Yes.
So the second one that has 80 houses, so and the mean is 2, so that's 80 times 2. So if we do 1.5 times 20, we get 30, and 80 times
Mhm.
2, we get 160. Then since the 80 and 100 80 and 20 is 100, then we divide by 100, okay?
I see.
So we get 1.9. And if I check the guide, I think it should be 1.9. Let's see in the guide. 1.9. You understand?
Yeah, I do.
Okay. Let's go to the next one. For the next one, it
I was
says
doing division. Yes, 11.1. I got that as
11.1,
well.
you got this one. So you just multiply the something. So let's
And I
move on to.
also got the next one as well.
You got this 31.8, right?
Yeah, I got 31.8 as
Okay,
well.
very good. What about this one?
Wait, sorry, can you go back up to the workings, please? Yeah, I got that one as well.
Okay,
5247. Yes.
this one I got
Yes.
55.14.
Yep. I got all the marks for that one.
Okay, and this one you got this one, right?
Yes.
Okay,
25. Yep.
fine.
Yep. Yep.
How about number 6?
Number 6, I struggled with, but yeah, it was 18. I saw.
Okay, okay, 18. That's we did 40 times 21 and 15 times 26. Then we
Yes. Yeah,
subtracted.
I did that. Oh, but then you subtract it.
Yes, we subtract because the one stands for the total while one stands for the part. So
I
you subtract
see.
the part from the total to get the other part that remains. Then you divide by the population of that part. Okay.
Yes, and 450.
Yeah.
25 is 18.
So what about number 7?
I also kind of struggled with that one as well.
Okay. It said there are 12 girls and 16 boys, and 12 and 16 gives us 28.
8, yes.
So if you want to get the mean for the whole class, the mean is 35. So to get total, we say 35 times 28. That gives 980 as total score. And since it says for boys, 32, boys are 16, so 16 times 32 gives us a 512 as a
Yeah,
total score. So when you subtract, you get 468. So 468 divided by number of girls, because the 468 is the score for girls, right?
yes.
So then you get 39. You understand?
Yeah, I do. Yeah, so 39, yeah.
Okay.
Wow. I think that I only got 1 mark for that one.
Okay.
I did something way different.
Okay.
3 times
So I've not
32.
done number. I was about to be through with
I
number
see.
8. So for number 8, what was I doing? I firstly got the population of boys and girls. So it said the mean height of the girls is 1.64, and the
Yes.
mean height of all the boys, of all the 30 students rather. So for the 30 students, since there are 30 students, so we can say this one is 30 times 1.7, okay?
Yes.
And how many girls are there? Uh, 2 ratio 3 boys to girls. So the girls are the 3, they are 18. So this is going to be 18
Yeah.
times 1.64. Then we're going to
Mm.
subtract to get that of the boys. So to get the total of the boys, we have 30 times 1.7, that's 51, minus 18 times 1.64, that's 29.52.
Wait, where did, okay.
Yes, you want to say something?
I was going to ask where did the 1.7 come from, but I've seen it.
Yeah, 1.7 is the mean of the other one, of all the students. So I will subtract
And what about
51.
the 51 as well, sorry?
51, I got it
Okay, okay, yeah,
from
so
this
12.
total, okay?
I
Total
see,
height
yes.
of all the students. That's 51.
And then 12 plus and 6 times,
18 times 1.64, that's
yeah.
29.52. So 51
Uh,
minus
I
29.52,
see.
that's 21.48. 21.48.
29.52. Where did we get that from again, sorry?
That is 18 times 1.64. That's the
Okay.
total height of the girls. So now for the mean of the boys now will be the total height of the boys
Oh,
divided by the number of boys. That's 12.
sorry.
So total height is 21.48, then divided by 12. That'll be 1.79.
Yes, 20.
You understand it?
Oh, so the answer would be 1.79, sorry.
Yes, 1.79. So do you understand it?
Yep, I do.
Okay.
I think that I just struggle with those type of questions the most.
That's
The
because
ones they have to like
it's
find missing data.
twisted. Yeah. Now
I
number 9.
this one I got 4 marks, but because I lost 1 mark for saying that 5.062 is £5 62. Very annoying
Okay.
mistake.
Okay, 5.062. That would be £5 6p
Yes.
instead of 62. Okay, let me just see it. It said Mr. Anderson owns two shops A and B. But you're clear with this, right?
Yes,
Okay.
I'm clear with all of it, but
Okay, and the number 10
just that
too.
silly mistake that I made.
Yeah, all
Sorry,
right.
I just got out of the mark guide for that one. In fact,
Number 10.
yes.
Okay. So all
Sorry,
for
yeah, yeah, for number 9. Yeah.
for number you're clear with number 9. So
So
now
yeah,
this is
I'm clear with number nine. But
okay. Number 10, a football squad has three goalkeepers, eight defenders, nine midfielders, and five forwards. The mean height of all the 25 is 181. So that is 25 times 181 if we would ever need the total. Then the mean height of the three goalkeepers is this. So,
yeah, the answer for that one is 176.2 centimeters, which I got.
okay. Then let me just see this one. Then the mean height of the eight defenders, that'll be 8 times 187 if we're ever going to need this total. Then the mean
Yeah.
height of the midfielders, that is 9 times 1 7. I mean, the total height will be this if you go. So now, work out the mean height of the five forwards. That's the only reason for us to need the total. We'll just get
Yeah.
the addition of these three, take it away from the one at the top, then we'll divide by 5. That'll give us the answer. So,
Oh, I probably should have got less because I didn't show them of my working. That's the thing. It was a
25
calculator
times 1,
question.
25 times 181 is 4525. 4525. So this is
Yeah.
4525 here. Oh, I think I just jumped to page because I wanted to write 4525 again because it's closer to the end of the screen, so it's just moving me. So I put it on top. 4525. Then the next one, 3 times 188. 3 times 188, that's 564. 564. The next one is 8 times 187.
Yes.
187, that's 1496. 1496. And the last one, 9 times 176. 9 times 176. That's 1584. 1584. So I just have to take that total and subtract all of this one. So there's going to be 4525 minus 564
Yes.
minus 1496, then minus 1584. 1584. So I got 881. 881 now divided by 5. Okay. That's 176.2. You got that right?
Yes, I did get that.
So, okay. You're going to look into whatever next, right? All right, viewers.
Yeah.
Thanks for watching. We might continue or just subscribe to this channel. Goodbye for now. All right, welcome back. This is another aspect. We're looking at mean. So here is a list of numbers. We want to look at mean median mode. These are the numbers given. Write down the mode of the numbers. That is the one that occurred most, and obviously 5 occurred most. So the answer is 5. It occurs how many times? That's like 4 times. Where the 3 occurs 2 times and the rest occur one time. 5 friends play a game. Here are their scores. Work out the median. You just have to rearrange from the smallest to the biggest. So the smallest is 60, followed by 80, followed by 120, 160, and 250. So the middle number is the median, equals to 120. Here's a list of numbers. Work out the mean. You just have to add them together and divide by, that's 3 plus 2 plus 6 plus 11 plus 13 over 2 for 5 over 5. So this is going to be, this is 5 plus 6, that's 11. 11 plus 11, 22. 32 plus 3, that's 35 over 5. So your answer is 7 for the mean. Look at the range. Range equal to the biggest minus the smallest, which is 11. And the next one says, work out the mean, the mode, and the range. So James has a spinner that has sections labeled 1 to 5 spin. Does spin 10 times. Here are the scores. So the mode is the one that occurred most. 4 occurs 1, 2, 3, 4. So it occurred 4 times. So the answer is 4. Because 1 occurred 3 times and the rest did not occur up to 4 times. Then look at the mean. The mean is to add everything together. So we have equal to, let's add 4 plus 4 is 8. Let's mix 10, 19, then 20, 25, then 28, and 29. So that's 29 divided by 10. That's 2.9. Then work out the mean. Yeah, the mean is 2.9. Then work out the range. The range is the biggest minus the smallest, so 5 minus 1. Yeah, range is 5 minus 1, which is 4. Okay, there's Simon recalls the number of minutes she spent on our mobile phone over 7 days. This is the number of minutes. Find the median. So that's from the smallest to the biggest. What's the smallest minute? That should be 5, followed by 6, followed by 8, followed by 13, followed by 19. Oh, I got 10 somewhere there. Followed by 19 and followed by 24. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So the middle one, if you pick 3 to the side and pick 3 to the side, that's 10. The answer equals to 10. Then here are the ages of 9 children at a birthday party. Find the mode. What number occurred most? Could it be 10? This is 1, 2, 3. And I think that's the one that occurred most, is 10. Then find the median. We have to rearrange from the smallest to the biggest. So 10 is the smallest. It's another 10. It's another 10. Then after 10, we have 11, only one. We have 12, two 12s. So I have picked the 3 10s, I picked 11, I picked the 2 12s, then I'm going to pick 13, then I pick 14, and finally I pick 15. So is it up to 9? 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. The median should be the middle. So 4 here, 4 here. This is the median, equals to 12. Look at the range. That's 15 minus 10 equals to 5. 15 minus 10, and that is 5. Look at the mean. We have to add all the numbers together and divide by 9. So 10 plus 10 plus 10, that's 30. Let's say 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. 90 plus this one, that's 99. Plus 3, 102, 105. Then plus 1, that's 106. And plus 2 here, 108. So I got 108 divided by 9. 108 over 9. And that is 12 because 9 times 12 is 108. A football team played 6 games. Here are the numbers of goals they scored in each game. Work out the median number. So 0, then 2, then 2, and 3, then 5, then 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The median would be the two numbers. That's 2 plus 3 over 2. That's 5 over 2, which is 2.5. Work out the mean. We have to add them all together. 2 plus 2 is 4, plus 6 that's 10, plus 8 that's 18. So 18 over 6. And that's going to be 3. The football team played one more game, and the mean number of the goals scored increases to 4. Work out the number of the goal for the seventh one. So now since we know the mean of 6, the total of 6 is 18. Yeah, so 18 plus the last score divided by 7 equal to 4. So that would be 18 plus the last score equals to 28. Got to cross multiply. This is 1 times 6. I said plus the last score, not x. So 18 plus the last score equals to 28. So x equal to 28 minus 18, and that is 10. So Harry writes down the number of emails he received in the last each day last week. So there should be seven. Harry says the median is 24. Why is he incorrect? Okay, let's rearrange it. The smallest is 18. Uh, 18. I mean, the smallest is 8, not 18. There's no 18 there. So 8 followed by 17, followed by 22, then 23, then 20. Oh, I missed 15 out. So 8 followed by 15, followed by 17, 8, 15, 17. Then we got 22, then 23, then 24, and 24. Is it up to 7 now? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So the median should be 22. Median is incorrect because, I mean, E is incorrect. I need to write that clearly so you can see it. E is incorrect because he failed to rearrange the data correctly. The data correctly in ascending order. Because if you just follow this, you gotta get 24 as the middle one, which is wrong. Okay, number 9. Amina logs into her fitness tracker app. April jogs completed 14 distance 80.5 kilometers. Look at the mean distance traveled for each completed jog. Okay, jogs completed 14 jogs. Total distance. That'll be total distance, which is 80.5 kilometers, divided by 14. So we can use a calculator just to divide it because it gave us decimals. So that is 80.5 divided by 14. That's 5.75. 5.75. That is the mean of that. And number 10, Miss Jones gives her class a test. The test is out of 40 marks. Here are your scores. Okay, what are the mode? Which score got most? 32 got 2 times. Any other one? The mode equals to 32. Look at the median. So from the smallest to the biggest, what's the smallest of the numbers? 20 followed by what? 29 followed by, so I pick 20, I pick 29. Then I think 31, then 32, and then 32, then 35, and 38. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There are 7. So if you pick that, the median is 32. Look at the range. That's 38 minus 20, and that'll be 18. The pass mark is 75. How many students pass the test? Okay, the 75. What is 75? The pass mark is 75% rather. So let's find 75% of 40. 75 over 100 times 40. That should be 0 cancel 0. 5 year 2, 5 year 15, 2 year 1, 2 year 2. That's 30 marks. So who scored 30 and above? How many students scored 30 and above? So let's count them. The number of students that scored 30 and above. We have one, two, three, four, five. So five students. Five students passed because they scored 30 and above. Okay, we're going to continue shortly. Okay, let's move on to the next one and say Anna is recording the number of letters in each word in an article. So these are the number. What are the median? Let's see. The median will be gotten by rearranging them. So we have two. How many twos there? That's one. So we have two, followed by, I think I should. I'll quickly do something here. Okay, let's continue first. Two, followed by three. How many threes? One, two, three. That's three, three, three. How many fours? One, two. How many fives? One. How many sixes? Then seven. So two, four, six, 10. So these are 10. We have 4 here and 4 here. So the median is 4 plus 4 over 2, which is 4. Calculate the mean. Mean will be addition of all the numbers. So 2 plus 3 is 5, 5 plus 6 is 11, 11 plus 4 is 15, 15 plus 4 is 19, 19 plus 5 is 24, 24 plus 6 is 30, 30 plus 13, that is 43. So we have 43 divided by 10, have 4.3 as the mean. 4.3, then the 11th word has 4 letters. Okay, tick the box which describes what will affect this, what effect this will have, or what effect this will have on the mean. The 11th word has 4 letters. What's the 11th word? Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. What do you mean by the 11th word? Because we don't know, is it after rearranging or I don't think it's after rearranging. So, on the 11th word has 4 letters. The mean, will the mean decrease? Will it increase? If the total increases, the mean will increase. So that is just the main thing. Doesn't really matter where it is because the 11th word, oh, it's not part of the house. Okay. If the 11th word has 4, the mean will decrease because the mean is 4. So for the mean to remain the same, the 11th word must have 4.3 letters. So if it has above 4, if above 4.3, the mean will increase because it will affect the total. Since we are still dividing by 11, so it must not be less than this mean. But if it's bigger than it, so what we're going to say is that the mean will uh, reduce, will decrease because that's 4. So it has to be greater than, equal or greater than the mean for it not to be affected or to be better. Take the box, what will happen, take the box which describes what effect this will have on the median. Okay, if we have on the median 4, if it's forwards, it will not change the median because it will still be at the middle, which is 4. Yeah, because if you put a 4, the, the median will remain the same. Okay, I think this question. Jacob records the temperature at the midnight over 6 days. Work out the mean temperature. To get the mean, the median or something, we need to, okay, 12. Mm, I think we can use 11 to 12 if you don't mind. So we have um, to add all this together, but let's rearrange first. What's the smallest? That's minus 8. Minus 8 is the smallest, followed by minus 7, followed by minus 1, then followed by 2, and followed by 3 and 5. So if we are looking for median, the median is equal to minus 1, that's falls in the middle. And for the mean, we have to add everything together. So this is minus 15 minus 16 plus 2, 3, that's a 10. Minus 16 plus 10, that's minus 6 over um, what is the total? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Wait a minute. The median can be this because there are 6 total. So let's get the mean first. Minus 6 over 6, that's minus 1. Then for the median, we have to pick the two middle numbers. Minus 1 plus 2 over 2. So that is 1 over 2,
So
which is 0.
so
0.5.
find to find the percentage of something manually. Like should I just do a like for example if I want to find maybe like they ask they
Yes,
don't know like say like to find like the percentage of 31 over 40 for example would I do 31 times 40 divided by 100?
wait, you said the percentage of what?
Like for example 31 times 40 divided by 100 would that be like a accepted method?
31 times 40 divided by. What are you looking for exactly?
Um so like the question says let me just find this. Sorry.
Okay. Like if you want to find 10% of something, or 70% of something, you say 70 over 100 times that thing.
Hmm.
If you want to find 100,
Oh yeah, yeah, oh
yeah,
yeah. So like I want to like find 75% of
that would be
31.
75 over 100 times that thing.
But
Yeah,
like manually though, like on paper, with like no calculator.
yeah, that's true. So let's assume, can you see the board?
Yes, I can.
Let's assume I want to find 75% of 150, okay?
Yes.
Rather, I'll multiply 150 not. So
So like
75,
I wanted to like find the percentage of 31 over 40.
okay, of a fraction, right?
Ye no, like say like the question says Miss Jones gives her class a test. The
Mm-hmm.
test is out of 40 marks.
Okay,
And they want us they said that pass mark for the test is 75%.
okay.
And they're asking how many students passed their test.
Yeah,
So I'm just
let's
trying to
let's
find.
let's assume the test is 60 marks. So I need to
Mm,
find 75% of 60 first. So here, I divide,
uh,
okay? Then
yes.
5 here 2 and 5 here 15. Then 2 here 1, 2 here 3. So this is going to give me 45 marks. So if they say,
Mm,
if 45 marks, I will now count how many people score 45 and above. Those are the people that pass.
I see. Okay.
You understand?
Yep, I do. All right. Thank you very much.
All right, no problem. Though we're soon going to round up and we're going to check it,
Okay.
the answers tomorrow, but at least.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. Okay, so I think now that most done, so we have to continue later. You have to continue later because I have a piano class right now. So work out the range. The range is the biggest minus smallest. So 5 minus minus 8. So that is 5 minus 8. And the range is 13 degrees C. Okay, viewers, we're going to continue with the remaining questions later. You can subscribe to this channel for updates on our future videos. Goodbye for now. All right, so we're back to the questions now. Trying to solve this one. Let me try to make it bigger. So it says Maya is growing sunflowers. The tallest sunflower is 1.4 meters. The range of the height is 58 centimeters. So find the height of the shortest sunflower. Include units in your answer. So since we know that biggest minus smallest equal to 58 cm, and the tallest is 140 cm, that's 1.4 meters, minus smallest, that's going to be 58. So the smallest now will be 140 minus 58. So this is 2. This is 13 minus 5. That's 82 centimeters. So that'll be the answer for that shortest. Then below are the ages of each person in the Jones's family. So work out the median age. We have to rearrange from the 8, 13, 16, 18, 43. So it's already rearranged. We have two numbers for the middle. Then that's 16 plus 18 over 2. And 10 plus 10 is 20. Then plus 14, that's 34 over 2, which is 17. So median is 17. Work out the range, the biggest 44 minus the smallest. Now range equals to 44 minus 8, then that's going to be 36. So the range is 36. Yeah, biggest minus smallest. Then work out the range of ages, the ages 3 years ago. Okay. 3 years ago, the biggest would have been 44 minus 3, that's 41. The smallest would have been, R 3 years ago, so the smallest would have been 5. And that would have still been 36 because 41 minus 36. Work out the, okay, yeah. Emily asks her friends to how many times they had been to the cinema this year, and this is the result 1, 3, 4, 5, and 27. Emily says that the mean is the most suitable average to use to summarize it. No, I do not agree because it has a wider range. Yeah, the mean does not represent all of them. Somebody has gone 27 times, so if you use that along with the mean, it's going to boost all of them up above what they have done. For example, we can say the mean will be 1 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 27 over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that's 27 plus 10, that's 37 plus 3, that's 40. 40 over 5, that's 8 times. So the 8 times, which is the mean, is greater than all of this one, so it doesn't represent them. That is what we can say there. Then a library is open 6 days a week, Monday to Saturday. Here are the number of visitors to the library for the first 5 days of last week. Okay, this is the number of visitors. Let's see whether it's arranged to 73, then 5, then this 4 should come before the 5, or 1 and 5, 13. Okay, so 275, 352, then 444. Okay, I need a comma here, and 501 and 513. The mean number of visitors was 500. Work out how many people. Okay, for all the 6 days, 500. So how many people were there on Saturday? So that means we have to add all this together. Yeah, press my calculator to quickly add that together. Let's see. Uh, 275 plus 352 plus 444. Okay, wait a minute. 275 plus 352 plus 444 plus 501 and plus 513. That's 2085. So this is 2085 plus Saturday over 6 will give us 500 according to the question. So we're gonna say 6 times 500 minus this one. 6 times 500 is 3,000 minus 2085. So that's the Saturday. So 3,000 minus 2085. That's 915 visitors on Saturday. Okay, then the next question. Reese has 7 number cards, each with a positive number on it, shown below are the numbers on the 5 cards. The range of the number is 16. The mode is 8. If the mode is 8, then 8 is prone to come up again. And it says the range is 16. Is there any way we can get what's the smallest? Smallest is 5. 5 plus 16 is 21. So 21 minus 5 should give me 16. So these are the 2 missing numbers. We have 8 as another number that will give 8 as the mode, and 21 that will make, or with subtraction with 5 to give us 16 for the range. Hugo has 5 cards shown below are the numbers on 3 of the cards. The mean of the 5 cards is 16. Okay, that means we know the total. Total will be 16 times 5, which is 80, since the mean is 16. The mode of the number is 12, so that means 12 still have to come here. So we have to add all this together and take it away from 80. We get 12 plus 25 plus 17 plus another 12. That's 66. So 80 minus 66 will give us 14. So work out the median now. How can we get the median? 12 is smallest, so 12, 12, 14, 17, 25. So the median is the middle number. Median is the middle number, which is 14. 14 should be the median because of the descriptions that we have there. Then shown below are 5 cards right, in order, okay, from smallest to largest. The range of the card is 4, so 5 plus 4 is 9. This has to be 9. And the median of the card is 8, so this has to be 8. Because it's the 2 for this is middle. The mean is 7. Work out 4 missing numbers. Okay, the 4 missing numbers. So if the mean is 7, I could say, okay, total divided by 5 is 7. So the total is 5 times 7, which is 35. So if I add these 3 numbers together, 5 plus 8 is 13. 13 plus 9 is 22. So to take 22 away from, so the sum of these 2 numbers is what we're looking for now. Okay, so take 22 away from 35. So 35 minus 22, that's 13. So the sum of this should be 13. Okay, wait a minute. The range is 4. Okay, the median is 8. Okay, and the mean is 7. Now we need a number greater than 7. Or if I put 8 here again, if I put 8 here, then 5 will be here, and we will not get
Yeah, sorry, the timer has gone, but I don't think that 20 minutes was enough.
Yeah, you can. I noticed also because I'm also looking at questions here. So definitely you can just continue. Let's see how we go.
Okay.
At least
All
until
right.
the end of this one. Yeah.
Yes. Okay.
So let's see. I'm going to continue shortly because of my recording device. All right. So continuing again with this one. So we're looking for if we put 5 and 8 there, is there any limitation? Let's see. Mode is 4. That doesn't change the mode. I mean, range is 4 rather. That doesn't change the range. The median of the card is 8. Yeah, the median is still 8. And the mean is 7. Yeah, the mean is still 7. So, oh, we can vary it and say 3 and 9. Or if we vary it and say 3 and 9, this 3 would have to come here. 3 would have been the smallest. Can we increase this one to be 6? Now, if we increase it to be 6, 6 and what? 7. 7 would not come here. So that means the numbers are 5 and 8. So the numbers are 5, 8, 8, and 9 that are missing there. 8 boys and 8 girls from a class run 100 meters. The time taken to the nearest second of it for each girl are this. The mean for the boys' time is this, and the mean for the boys' time is 25 seconds. The range of the boys' time is 14 seconds. Okay. Thomas says that the boys were faster than the girls. Is he correct? Okay, how do we know? We have to find the range and the mean. The range for the girls. Range, we have 29. What's the smallest? I think I range it first. Rearrange it first and say, yeah. So, to rearrange this, I have the smallest number to be 15, followed by, I think, 18 here. So 15 gone, 18 gone, 19, 20, 21, 24, 26, and 29. So the range is 29 minus 15. So 9 minus 5 is 4, 2 minus 1, so that's 14. Then they have the same range, both boys and girls. So let's get a mean first. Mean for the boys, for the girls rather, will be 15 plus 18 plus, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 divided by 8. Let me see. Yeah, 15 plus 18 plus 19 plus 20 plus 21 plus 24 plus 26. That's 143. 143 divided by 8. That's 17.8, approximately 17.9 seconds. So now, let's see. The shortest time is for the girls. So the boys were faster. No, the girls were faster. Girls were faster because their mean shows a reduced time compared to the time the boys used. The boys used 25 average, the girls use 18 average, if that calculation is correct. Let me try to add it again to be sure that everything is in order. 15 plus 18 plus 19 plus 20 plus 21 plus 24 and final plus 26. That's 143. So divided by 8. That gives 17 point. What about this? Okay. Number 21. Boster is taking part in a dog competition. There are 6 rounds, each worth 20 points. The mean of Boster's scores for the first 5 rounds is 13 points. Okay. If a dog has a mean score of 14 points more after the 6 rounds, they will receive a prize. Find the lowest possible number of points that Boston needs in the final round in order to win a prize. Okay, fine. There are 6 rounds. Each round is worth 20 points. Boston scores 13 points. First 5 rounds. Wait. What's the score for the first? Does it mean that the total of his scores are 13 points each? Okay, let me see. Okay, boss's mean score, good, is 13 points. Now, saying that if a dog has a mean score of 14 points, after 6 rounds, they will receive a prize. So it needs one more round. How will it become 14? That's the question. Okay, if this is 13 already, mean point is 13 for 5 rounds. Let's get the total score. Total score will be 5 times 13, which is 65. So if he needs to have a mean of 14, that'll be the total that he must get over 6 must be 14. So the total will be 6 times 14, which is 14 times 6, that's 84. So he needs a total of 84 to have a mean of 14. So what does it remain for, 65 to become 84? So we just say 84 minus 65. So he needs a total of 19 points. 19 points. Okay, the mean height of a squad of 24 rugby players is 185. 24 rugby players. The mean was the total height anyway. So total will be 185 times 24. So we can get 185 times 24. That's 4440. 4440. A new player joins who has a height of this. What kind of new mean? Okay. 1, 4, I mean, not 1, 4, 4, 4, 0 plus 170 all over 25 because they're now 25. So that's the mean. So 4440 plus 170, which is the new height, then divided by 25. That's 184.4. Okay, I think this is the last question here. Okay, we have some more questions up to 25. So number 23, a set of 6 numbers has a median of 5. Median is 5 and there are 6 numbers. And that means the 2 middle numbers added together divided by 2 will be, the 2 middle number will sum up to 10. Okay, all of the numbers are even. Okay, the range of the number is 6. Biggest minus smallest is 6. The mode of the number is 4. 2, 4, 6, 8. Write down a possible 6 set of numbers. Anyway, this and this must firstly be added. So let's say 4 and 6. The range is 6. Biggest minus the smallest. 10 minus 4 is 6. 4 and I have 10. 10 minus 4 is going to give me 6. So and the range here is 6. So we need 2 more numbers. Then what do we have? All of them are even numbers. The mode is 4. Well, was anything said about the mean? I don't think so. they only have a median of 5. So if I put a 4 here, what will be the median? The median will be 4, not 5. If I put a 6 here, then I'm still going to have a median. So the mode is already 4. So we could have 4, 4, 4, 6, 6, and 10. Let's see if the conditions are met. Range is going to give us 6. Range equal 10 minus 4, and that's 6. Median, so two numbers here. That is 4 plus 6 over 2. That's 10 over 2. That's 5. What else were we given? The range, the median, the mode. Mode is 4 because it occurs 3 times. I think these are possible numbers. A class of 30 boys and girls sit a test. The mean mark for the boys is 14. The mean mark for the 14 boys is 76. So total for boys will be 14 times 76. That's 14 times 76. That's 1064. 1064. The mean for the whole class. Okay, total for boys, total for class will be 30 times 78. So 30 times 78. That's 2340. So let's get the score for girls. Girls will be 2340 minus 1064. This is 6. 13 minus this is 7. This is 2. This is 1. So the mean for the girls will be total for the girls all over number of girls, which is 16. Because there are 30 students. So we have 1276. 1276 divided by 16. That's 79.75. 79.75 or approximately 0.8%. And the last question. The Smith family and Wilson family are neighbors. There are four members of Smith's family. Their ages are this. There are 6 members of the ages of this. The mean age of his family ratio, the mean age of this person is this. Work out X. Okay, that's very simple. All we need to do is to get the mean for the two. Mean for the first one is 60 plus 64 plus 29 plus 36 all over 4. Okay, there are 4. So let's get that right. So I got 60 plus 64 plus 29 and 36. That's 189 divided by 4. I got 47.25. 47.25. Let me be sure of the calculation. So 64 plus 60 plus 29 plus 36. 189 divided by 4. Okay, that's correct. Then for the other one, we have the ratio of the Smith. Smith is at the top. So it's at 47.25 ratio the unknown mean, that we don't know, equal to 4 ratio 1. Yeah. So how do we get the unknown mean? The unknown mean equal to 40 plus 40 plus 3 plus 7 plus 9 plus x all over 6 because there are 6 there. So that means if I add all these numbers together, I got 40 plus 40, that's 80. 3 plus 7, that's 10. Added to that one become 90 plus 9, that's 99. So 99 over 6. So y equal 99 plus x over 6. Okay, now that I have this here, I can link these two to put my x, my y here. I think I will need this top space here to explain this one because of no more space below. Okay, there's still some spaces. So I have 47.25 divided by 99 plus x over 6 equal to 4 over 1. Okay, now I have 47.25 times 6 over 99 plus x equal to 4. So let me multiply 47.25 times 6, 47.25 times 6 is going to give me 283.5. So I got 283.5 over 99 plus x equal to 4. So if I cross
Sorry to take you
multiply,
so long. I think that some of these questions they're quite technical, especially near to the end.
yeah, I get it. That's true. All right. Yeah.
So they do take a lot of thinking power.
You have to really think out of the box in some of them, not just because you know the
Yeah,
formula. No.
yeah, but yeah.
So now to continue
And nearly
this.
there, but I'm on question 23.
Okay, that's great.
25.
So now to get this, I got 283.5. 283.5 times 1, that remains the same. Then 4 times this. That's 4 into 99 plus x. So I can open the bracket. I have 4 times 99, so this is going to be 4x. 99 times 4, that's 400, minus
Okay.
4, that's 390, whatever. So 4 times 99, 396. 396, that's 283.5. So we can subtract. We say, wait a minute, are we supposed to get a negative answer? I need to check that because this is going to give us a negative answer the way I'm looking at it. Let's hold on. And age cannot be negative. Hold on, let me check on that quickly. Yeah, I had to take my time to read the question. I was working on the mean age, but it says the median age, not the mean age. So I have to, try to undo most of these, stuffs here. It's median age. We're trying to work with not even the mean age. I don't need to go through that trouble that I went through. So now, let's see. What is the first one? Let's arrange the first group. That's 29. Yeah, 29 followed by what? 36, then 60, and 64. So what's the median of these? We had this and divide by 2. That's 36 plus 60 over 2. And this is going to be 96 over 2, which is 48 as the median for the first family. And for the second family, we have to arrange from the smallest to the biggest, to get the median. Or let's just use what we've been given, 4:1. So the median age of the Smith family to the Wilson family is 4:1. 4:1. That's why it's always good to, place emphasis on clarity of the questions. So Smith, Wilson, 4:1, and the median age for the Smith is 48. Ratio W equal to
Okay, I'm on the
4:1.
last question.
Yeah, all right. We go to 4:1. So now, if this is 4 and this is one portion, I can divide 48 into 4. That means it's 48 over 12. That'll give me 4 over 1. 12 here, 1. 12 here, 4. So let's now get the value of x for that one. So we have, let's see, um, 12 happens to be the median of the other one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we are with 12. I think 12 is a missing number. So that'll be 40 from the smallest to the biggest. So 3, 7, 9, 12, 40, and 40. Or let me see. I mean, it's 6, so we cannot really place the median there. We cannot really place the median as 12. So we have 3, 7, and 9. Mhm. Then 40 and 40. Where does x fall in? The median age 4:1. Calculate the value of x. So the value of x is what we're trying to find now. Hold on a bit. So what we're going to check is which two of these numbers, because we also need x somewhere there, which two of these numbers are going to be added together and divided by 2. If you're going to add a number together and divide by 2 to get 12, then the sum of the numbers must be 24. So 3 and 7 does not add to 24. 7 and 9 does not add to 24. 9 and 40 or 14. So that means the x should, be somewhere here, such that if you had this, you get a 24 and divide by 2 to get a 12, which is the median. So what number are we going to add to 9 to get 24? So 24 minus 9, that's 15. So the numbers will be 3, 7, 9, 15, 40, and 40. So if you add these together, you get 24. Then you divide by 2, you get a 12, which is the mean of that family. And with that, we'll come to the end of this particular quiz. It's been a long ride. You can subscribe to this channel for updates on our future videos, and that is where I'm gonna be saying goodbye for now, or maybe I can still uh, record some part of my explanation to my student. See you. So number one, you got 5, right?
Yes.
That's at least you
I
can see this.
did.
Can you see the screen?
Yep, I can.
So what do you get for number 2?
120.
120. Well, good. So number 3,
7 and 11.
7 and 11. That's okay. Number 4,
I got 4.
4, right?
Yes.
And what?
2.9.
2.9. That's great. So the third part,
And
range.
4 again.
That's also 4. Okay. Number 5,
I got 10 minutes.
10 minutes. That's correct. Number 6,
I got 10 again.
10 for the mode. What about the median?
I got 12.
12. That's right. What about the range?
I got 5.
Okay. The mean,
I got 11.889.
11.889, maybe approximately 12. But wait, how do you get 11.889? You added all these numbers, right?
Yeah, I think because their answer was 11.89. So I think
Okay,
that I kind of like added an extra eight accidentally.
okay,
So I think
okay.
that that would be 1 mark.
No, you get your marks, and at least to one decimal, you got 11.8, right?
Oh yes,
So
yes.
then, number seven.
Uh, I got 2.5.
Okay, and what again?
Uh, I got 3.
Three. What about the third part?
I got 10.
10. Okay. Number eight.
Uh, I said Harry has not ordered his numbers from smallest to largest.
Yes, that's correct in ascending order. So number nine.
Yes. I got 5.75 kilometers.
Okay, that's correct. Number 10.
Uh, 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 I got 32.
32. That's correct. The next one is also 32, right?
Yeah, I got 32
What
again.
about the third part?
I got 18.
18. That's correct. The last part.
For the next part, I got 5.
5. 5
Wait,
student.
let me
Okay,
even
yeah.
see.
That's great.
Wait, sorry,
Um,
let me even see if my thing was valid.
hmm, uh, that's correct. So the next one, number 11.
Wait, sorry, I'm just seeing if my workings was valid to get the
Okay,
mark.
you mean the workings, right? I did
Yeah.
75 over 100 times 40, or you said 75 times 40 divided by 100. That gives 30. So anybody that gets above 30, they are the ones that passed the test.
I got that.
So number 11,
Uh, I said 4.
4, and
I said 4.3.
4.3. What about the other part?
I said that the mean will increase and the median will decrease.
Wait, let's check that. Maybe you said it will increase, right?
Yes.
Let me check the
But they
guidebook.
said decrease and stay the same.
Aha. So maybe you need some kind of explanation on why should it decrease and why should it stay the same. He said
Yes,
the
please.
11th word has 4 letters. The 11th word has 4 letters. You know, these are 10. These are 10 words, right?
Yes. Yes. Yes.
Good. So if the 11th word should have 4 letters, then we must consider our mean first, okay?
Yes.
Our mean represent 4 letters, yes or no?
Yep, it does.
But a little bit above 4 letters, right?
Yes.
Good. So if you must retain the mean, you must get 4.3 for the new word or above 4.3. If you get above 4.3 for the new word that is coming,
Yes.
the mean will increase. But if you get below
Ah,
4.3, the mean will decrease because it's going to
I
affect it.
see.
You understand?
So because it's so the 11th word has 4 letters,
Which is
which
smaller
is
than the
below the
mean.
mean of
Yeah,
4.3.
good.
So the mean will
It
decrease.
will
Ah, I
decrease.
see.
Just like
So
a
that's
stu-
just common sense that I didn't use.
yeah, just like a student has 3 exams in a year, and maybe they're going to average it, and the pass mark is 100. Wow, 100. Good. If you score 100 in the first term and score 100 in second term, 100 in third term, when they average it, 300 divided by 3, that is 100. So he has passed, right?
Yes.
But let's assume he now scored 100 the first. He now scored 90 the second. Definitely it's not going to
Mm.
pass, even if he scored
No.
100 in the third one. But let us now assume that, okay, 80 is the pass mark, right?
Yes.
First and second semester, he has scored a mean of 80. Maybe he scored 100 first and he scored 80 next. That's what, no, and he scored 60 next. That's 160 divided by 2. That's 80. The third semester, which is the final semester, he must not score less than 80.
Mm-mm.
Because if he scores less than 80, he will not get the mean of 80, since our
Mm.
current mean is 80. You understand?
Yep, I do.
Now, tick the box, describe what will happen on the median. Okay, if it says 4, for the median will still be 4 because we just join it and it will now be with these
Yeah.
fours at the middle. So, still be 4.
Oh, so that's also common sense.
Yeah, you just know that, okay, these are 10. This is where we find our median. If I join a 4, it will just be in the committee of 4. So median will still be
Yes.
4 because that will not, I will not even need to add anything again. The median will just be at the middle.
Mm,
Yeah.
makes
Okay.
sense.
Jacob records this. What do you get for number 12?
I got -1.
And
I got
the
2.
median?
I got 2 for the medium.
How do you get 2? There are 6 temperatures. 2, 4, 6.
Yeah, I did minus. I did -1 plus 2
Mm-hmm.
to get 1. Then I did 1 divided by 2, which I somehow got 2. Oh,
Oh,
silly mistake.
zero 0.5, yeah.
Yes.
So work out the range. What's the range?
13 degrees.
13, yeah, that's correct. Okay, number 13, what do you get?
I got 82 centimeters.
82 centimeters, that's fine. Then,
Yeah, they also set to accept 0.82 meters.
yeah, if it's in meters, that's correct. Then 14,
But I got 17 years,
mm-hmm,
then 36 years,
mm-hmm.
then 36 years again.
Okay, that's correct. Number 15,
I said I agree with Emily as she's measuring the average times they've been to the cinema.
why did you agree? Where was there? Did they agree in the guide?
No, they didn't.
Aha, I put no because I'm just looking at it. This person is only one time. This is only 3 times, only 5 times. So if you find the mean,
Oh, I was thinking of putting that.
yeah, the mean
The
is
mean is
8.
affected by the outlier.
Yeah, good. So the mean is 8, right?
Yes.
So if I got a mean of 8, none of them even got to 8 times. So why should 8 represent their number of times?
Mm,
You understand?
yes.
So this 27 is way odd
It's a,
there. So that's just
yeah.
how about number 16?
Number 16. I got 348.
348. What did they get?
They got 915.
915. So how did I get 915 again? All I did was I wanted to find the mean. Okay. So I added all these, right? Then I needed to add
Uh,
Saturday, okay?
yes.
Then I will divide by 6 to get our mean. So it's easier to find the x now. Because I'll just say 6 times 500, which is 3,000. Then I'll remove it from the sum of all these.
Wait, but that's what I did. I added 513, 444, 501, 352, and
Mhm.
375 to get 2085. Then I
Yes.
did 2085 divided by 6 to get
No, no,
347.5.
no, no. You know, you are finding, you did not add Saturday. Why are you dividing by 6?
Oh, yeah.
So it's when you add Saturday, you have 6 data, okay? What you
Yes.
added is just sum of 5 data.
I see.
So you can now be able to find the sixth one when you just cross multiply with that 6 and 500 to get 3,000. Then you remove 2,085 from 3,000 to get 915. Okay, I think.
Wait, sorry. Can we get back up there, please? Sorry.
Okay, okay.
Okay, so would I get like 2 marks for that one? Probably one.
Probably one. Wait, the mark is just for the what? For the answer. It's not gonna.
Yes,
It's
three
not gonna
marks.
have any mark. You know why
Wait,
it will
what?
not have any mark? Because the step is not correct.
No, but I thought that I get 1 mark for like doing all the addition.
Okay, maybe because you got 2085, right?
Yes.
Well, you can get 1 mark. Get 1 mark. So then number 17, what do you get? What are the two missing
Sorry,
numbers?
just
Okay.
wait. So how did we get 915 again? Sorry.
Okay, we added all of the 5 days. Then we found the total for the 6 days by multiplying 6 and 500. Okay.
Ah.
You understand?
Yes.
This gives us total for 6 days. So we now have to say, okay, that's
So six
3,000.
times 500 is 3,000.
3,000, yeah. We now take the sum of the
Three
5 days away from it to get
seven.
the remaining one day.
I see. Okay, I see. All right, for the next one,
Yeah,
I got
17.
8 and 21.
That's correct. Then number 18.
Sorry, 8 and 24.
Oh,
Sorry.
8 and 24. But what did they get? Did they get 8 and 21?
Yeah, they got 8 and 21.
Yeah, how did I get it again? It said the range is 16. So just add 16 to 8. Wait,
Oh,
was that what I did? The range, no, not 6, not 8. 5. 5 is smallest, right?
I
Maybe that was what you
see.
did. You added 16 to 8,
Yes.
you got
Yeah, I
24.
had 16 to 8.
So 5 is the smallest, and that's why it's
Uh,
20. Okay, then number 18.
I got 14 as the median.
14. Good, good. What about,
Yes.
did you get the 12?
Oh, so I got the full 4 marks. Wow.
You got 12, right?
Yeah, I got the
Okay.
12 and the 14.
Okay. What about number 19?
Sorry. 19. Oh, 19 was a hard one. I got 8, 11, 8, and 3.
Okay, what did they get?
They got 5, 5, 8, 8, 9.
Yeah. So the missing number is 5889. Okay,
Yeah.
how did I get this? Let me quickly explain. That was because it said the range is 4. So I just added 4 to 5 to get 9 first,
Uh,
which is the biggest. The median is 8. Okay, I just put 8 at the middle, right?
yeah, that's what I did as well.
Okay. Now, it now told me that the mean is 7. So I had to find the total. Total is 35. So what is missing? 13. Okay.
Yes.
I had to put 13 into the second and the fourth box, bearing in mind that the number that will be in the first empty box must not be must not be less than 5. Okay?
Wait, what? You,
Wait, let me
ah,
explain again.
yes.
You know, I want to put a number here missing, right? And I want to put
Yes.
another number here missing, right? And I have
Yes.
13 remaining from my total, okay?
Yes.
Total was 35. I added what was on already there, the 5, the 8, and the 9. I took it away from 35 to get 13. You understand?
Yep, I do.
So, how do I distribute 13 such that,
Yeah, I did that 13 thing as well.
yeah, such that the number here and here will be 13, but the one in the first box must not be less than 5. If it's less than 5, 5 will not be the smallest again.
Yes.
So, if I put 6
Which is
here,
what I noticed, but I wasn't sure like what else to do.
wait, if I put 6 here, it will remain 7, which will be above 8. So it can never work.
Hmm.
So that's why I put 5. Then it remains 8. Then I fix 8. You understand?
Yes, I do.
So
So
okay,
like, how did you actually get the 5, 8, 8, 9? What? So yeah, so we knew that the mode
the
was going
range
to be yeah, the range was going
is
to be
so I added 4 to 5 to get the 9.
mm,
Then they told me 8 should be at the middle, so I put 8 at the middle. Now remain
yes,
only two numbers to get, which is the second and the fourth, right?
yes,
How do I now know what they stand for? I found the total by multiplying the mean and the 5 population, okay?
yes.
That gives me 35. So I added the numbers I already have and I took it away from 35 to get 13. So how do I now distribute the
Mm,
13 into the second and the fourth boxes? That'll be any number that I'll put there. If I put 1, is less than 5. It's not possible. 2, less than 5. 3, less than 5. 4, less than 5. I don't want to put 5. Let me put 6. If I put 6 out of 13 remains 7, right?
yes.
How can 7 go above 8? It's not possible.
Okay, so 5 plus 4 is 9 because of the range. So that's
Yeah.
how we got our 9.
Yes.
So I'm confused. Like, how do we get the 5?
That's what is it this 5?
Uh, yeah. Because like all the
Wait, this 5
I
came
see
with a
now.
question.
I see now because all of the values have to add up to 35.
Yes.
So x over 5.
So that was
I
how we got 13
see.
first, not even the 5, okay?
Yeah, I got the 13 as well. I did
Hmm.
that 13 step as
So
well.
now you know that your 13 must go into the second and the fourth box.
Yes.
So what number should go that will be not be less than 5? We can put 5. Because if we put
Yes.
6, it will
How?
remain 7. 7 will never work here
Mm,
because it has been greater than 8. I mean, less than 8, rather.
yes.
So if we put 5, then what remains is 8. Then just slot it in.
Oh,
So
because
you're
5 plus 8 will make 13.
13, yeah. And you cannot use any
I
number less than
see.
5 since 5 is the smallest.
I think that I'll get 1 mark for that
Okay. So number 20,
because of that 35 part.
what do you get for number 20?
20. I said that Thomas is incorrect. The girls were faster.
Yeah, the girls were
But
faster
let
because
me
the mean of
see
the
what
girl,
was done.
the time taken by the girl was smaller.
Yes, it was 21.5 seconds and the range was 14. Yes, yes, I got the full. Wow, I got the full 5 marks.
Okay. Um,
And the boys was 25 seconds.
and the boys were 25. 21, number 21, what do you get?
Sorry, I'm just writing extras.
Okay. Okay, for number 21, you got 19 points. That's correct.
Yeah, they got 19 as well, but
Yeah, that's correct.
I'm not sure if my method was accurate.
The method, it said there are 6 rounds. Yeah, just like the one I explained before. Okay. About the student that is passing the exam or
Oh,
something.
yes.
So you need a
So I
median.
did something way different.
You need a mean of 14, right?
Yes,
You already have a mean of 13. So what's the total that you already have? 5 times 13, that's 65. And for you to get a
yes.
mean of 14, you need 84 marks. Okay.
Mm,
So what will you add to 65 to get 84? That's 19.
mm. Oh, I did. Wow, I did 13 times 20 times 5 to get 1,300. Then I did 14 times 6 times 20 to get 1,680. Then I did 1,680 minus 1,300 to get
Yeah, I
380.
got 19.
Um,
Okay.
then I did 380 divided by 20 to get 19.
Okay. But it's pretty simple just by getting the total and knowing what remains to get the desired total.
Yes, I'm not sure if my method would be acceptable.
Well, since it leads to the answer, then that means it's still okay.
Okay.
The mean height of a square of 20. Okay, what do you get for 22?
Sorry, I got it wrong. I got 177
So
centimeters.
what did they get?
They got 184.4.
0.4. Okay. So, and what was that? The mean height is this, and we got the total to be 4440 by multiplying those two numbers.
Yeah,
Then
that's
somebody
what I
joined, you
did.
had the person, when you had the 170, then you divide by 25.
Let's see.
You understand?
Let's see. Yes, I did not. I minus 15 for some reason.
Mm.
One mark.
Okay, number 23, what do you get?
This one was another one. I got 2, 4, 4, 6, 8, and 10.
What did they get?
They got 4, 4, 4, 6, 6, and 10.
10. They said a set of six numbers have a median of 5. So if the median is 5, there must be two numbers that you could add and divide, that the sum of those two numbers must be
Yes.
10, right?
Yes.
And so can you see what I did here?
Yep.
Since the
I
median
can.
is 5. So now it now says something that the range is what? 6. So I could put, okay, since 4, all eyes are on 4 as the mode, okay?
Yes.
I just put 4 and 10, okay, to get 6, right?
Yes.
Uh-huh. So after I've gotten 6, now I say, okay, write down possible. All of them are even, okay. What two numbers can I add to give me 10? 4 and 6 again. I don't want to pick 8 and 2. You understand
Mm.
me? Because 8 and 2
Yes.
will reduce the chances of 4 being the mode.
Mode.
So, and since I now have, okay, and that's okay, 4 could be here and 6 could be here. Because if I put, let me see, why didn't I put 8 after the 6? That's the thing. Okay, if
So
I
I would
put
be
8,
incorrect because
if I
10 minus 2 is 8 and not 6.
no, I mean, if I why did I put 6 here? That's what I'm trying to remember. Because I could have put 8. It's also even number above the 6, right?
Yes.
Then this one, why must it be 4? I'm trying to see. I cannot put anything above 4 here. Okay,
Yes.
to this direction. So, and if I put 2, what could go wrong? Okay, if I put 2, it will also reduce the chance of 4 being the mode because I already have 2 of 4 and 2 of 6, right? So
Yes.
that's why this should be 4. And why shouldn't this be 8? If I put 8 here, will it still be right? Did they give any
Um,
provision in their answer for 8 here?
they didn't
Okay, wait.
say 8 at all.
The mode of the number is 4. The range of the number is 6. Then 8 should also be able to work. Of course, it's an even number, right?
Yes.
There is nothing that stops 8 from not working there with all of these conditions. Oh, okay, yeah. I was thinking we're given mean. We're not given mean. It's median we're given.
No.
And all of them are even numbers. So this could have been 8. And it's also greater than the 6. So definitely it's still within the range.
Mm.
But then, luckily I picked what I picked. But do you understand it?
Yeah, I do. It
Okay.
is a technical one.
Okay.
So I think, how many marks do I get for that? Because I did make a very silly mistake.
Okay. So how many marks in all for it? That's 4 marks, right?
4.
How many of the numbers did you get? 2, 3, 4, 5,
I
6.
got the mode to be 4, and I also got I got 2 4s and 1 6 and 1 10.
So you got 4 out of, you could get 1 mark or 2 marks.
Okay.
The number 24,
I got 78%.
78%. What did they get?
But it was 79.75.
Yeah, I approximated it to 79.8.
Uh,
You understand?
yes.
I actually got 79.75, sorry, now, so 79.8. What did I do? The mean mark for the boys is 76, which made the total of the boys to be 1064. The mean for the whole class is 78, then you multiply by 30 to get the total for the class. Then you subtract, okay,
I did.
to get
I
the
did
score
not do that.
to get for the girls. Then you now divide by the number of girls. You get
I see.
79.8. But you understand it, right?
Yeah, I did.
Okay. So remain one question.
And for that question, I got 6.
You got 6.
Yeah, which is incorrect.
It should be 15. Let me explain a bit.
Yes.
There are 4 members of the first family. So, in fact, when I was solving this, I was looking for mean instead of median. I was thinking it's
Uh,
median. I was thinking it's the mean age ratio, the mean age. So I now got stuck. There's something now wanted to give me a negative value for X. I was like, age can never be negative. So I now check the question and I say median. And I say, okay, fine. Since it's the median, the one ratio the other is 4:1, right?
yes.
Then I have to arrange the numbers and find the median of the first one to be 48. Okay.
Huh. I made another silly mistake. I somehow did the median to be of the Smith family to be 24.
Okay, instead of 48, right?
Instead of doing 2 divided by 96, I did 4 divided by
Okay, you
96.
did 96
Ah,
divided by 4, yeah.
yes,
Okay.
not 2.
So
That's so annoying.
that's 48. And since that is 48, 4 portions equal 48, then 1 portion must be 12. So in the ratio, okay?
Yes,
And if
yes,
that is 12, which of the numbers, if you're going to divide, since there are 6 numbers there, that means there's a total you must divide by 2 to get it 12. So which of them
yes.
are you going to add something to, to give you 24 and will still be within the range, okay?
Yes.
So it can be 3, it can be, so it could be 9, and 15 will be fall between 9 and 40. So definitely
Mm,
it's 15. Because if you say the total, which is 24 minus 9, will give us 15. 24 minus 3 will give us 21, and 21 has no place beside 3, okay?
yes.
24 minus 7 will give us what? 17.
Uh,
And 17 has no place beside 7 there.
no.
So 24 minus 9 is 15. 15 still has a place before because 15 is greater than 9 and it's less than
Mm,
40. So it can slot in there. So, yeah.
correct.
All right, viewers. Thanks
That,
so much
that
for
working.
watching.
Okay. So I got
Subscribe to this channel. Thank you.